Hello, today we will categorize the transaction and then post them. So I am selecting all the month of February 2025 and post it. Let's double check the transaction. Okay, and then we will select the category of owner's draw. We will select owner's draw equity and then select it and then post. Okay, let's yes the double check. Okay, let's stop some time. Now we will reconcile the month of February. Let's enter the first of all we need to sum up the final. mm, okay, 34,200. Let's enter the amount and then enter the date, statement ending date, and then start the reconciliation. Wait some times. Okay, we are ready to reconcile. Our ending balance is match all the transaction. So we count the transaction. Yes, this is all okay. We select all and now we will finish. So here it is. We reconciled a month of February. Reconciled complete. So that's it for today.